How to name devices. Naming devices that are connected to your Wi-Fi network helps you quickly recognize them and distinguish one from another, especially if you have more than one of any type of device. And if you use a virtual assistant in your home, it's easier to use voice commands for the devices that you've named than it is to use the often cryptic default names. To name the devices on your network, open D-Link Defend. Tap on Devices near the bottom of your screen. Here you'll find the devices connected to your router. Devices that are currently online have a green dot on the left of the screen, while those that are offline show a gray dot. You can edit the name of the device by tapping on the device, or you can swipe left on the device name and tap on the Edit button. Replace the default device name with something that makes sense to you. Then select the device type from the drop-down list. While naming your device lets you see and easily identify devices on the device list. Specifying the device type tells your network security system how to manage that device. For example, if it's a connected device such as a security camera or a smart thermostat, your system will know to send you an alert if it encounters malicious activity. If it's a computer, smartphone, or tablet, the system will warn the user who encountered the malicious activity.